In this video, you are going to see how to increase the thickness of grid line border in Microsoft Excel. As you can see here I have the normal thickness and here I have increased the size. So what is the exact way to make it? Suppose I want to increase the thickness of this cell. We can apply two methods. Click on this, go to over here all border, go to line style and increase the line thickness. Click on all border and here you will see I have changed the thickness of the grid line. Or we can apply another method. Suppose I want to increase the thickness of this cell. Click on over here, click on right button, go to format cell, go to border and change the border style from here and click on outline and click on OK, and here you will see this is also perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.